Jamila invested 75,000 pesos at a simple interest rate of 8% per annum. How much will her interest be after 1 year? Okay, so we'll just use the formula for simple interest. So we have given simple interest. Okay, so the formula for simple interest is equal to PRT. P is the principal. So the principal in this problem is the 75,000 pesos. So this is the principal. R is the 8%. So this will be the rate, the R, 8% per annum. So 8% that is equal to 0.08 in decimal, or we can use fraction 8 over 100. Okay, and then we have how much will her interest be after 1 year? So the time will be 1 year. So just substitute we are looking for the interest. So the principal is 75,000 pesos. The rate is, we can use 8% or we can use 8 over 100. So just use 8 over 100 so that we can cancel the two zeros here and then we can cancel the 100. And then the time is 1 year. So times 1. So therefore, what's left is 750 times 8. No need to write this times 1. So just multiply this 750 times 8. So 8 times 0. That is equal to 0. 8 times 5, we have 40. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4, so we have 60. Therefore, the correct answer is 6,000 pesos, letter C. Follow for more.